vegan breakfast burritos and also trying the just egg for the first time. Let's go. So we're going to start with the preheated pan, a little onion, a little pep, just start sauteing it down. And then while that's going, we're going to get some hash browns going in the oven because like, why the fuck not? Love the Impossible breakfast sausage, spicy, right? Just start breaking it up. Like, you know the drill. And then, oh, here we go. I'm so nervous. I wanted to try this for so long, but it was like, used to be like $8, but I found this like on sale for $3.99. So we're gonna just use the whole thing. Here the fuck we go. I mean, it's doing stuff. I don't know. It's freaking me out. Okay, so I added some salt and pep, and it cooked up great. Like, this looks legit, dude. Like, okay, I'm sorry. I'm just blown. Also, make sure you subscribe. And I have, like, an OnlyFans if you're into, like, feet and stuff. So, also, like, meal prep. Just put some aluminum foil. Put them all out. There's one I'm going to eat. There's one that I already ate, the hash browns that I ate because I was hungry while I was cooking. And then you just fold it on up. Put it in aluminum foil. We're going to put them in the freezer. Put them in the microwave. It's, like, $1.75 for one of these, you guys. Made 10. Like, give it a little tappy tap. And yeah, the egg, delicious. Like, I don't understand how they did it. As long as it keeps the price down, I'm totally good. You should totally try it out. Super beefy burritos. Love this for us. Subscribe.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.